हेलो मेरे दोस्तों, क्या हाल चाल। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब बढ़िया होगे और मौज ले रहे होगे घर पे। और आपसे कहना चाहूँगा कि भाई बच के रहो। अभी वायरस का जो थ्रेट है वो फिर से अपनी चरम सीमा पे है। तो बच के रहिए, अपने फैमिली का और अपना ख्याल रखिए। मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट एंड दोस्त प्रिंस, और ये एक वीडियो मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, कोई एपिसोड नहीं है, जस्ट रॉ एंड रियल होने वाला है। कोई कट्स नहीं, कोई एडिट्स नहीं, डायरेक्ट आपसे बात होगी। और ये जो वीडियो है वो रिलेटेड है मेरे PS5 वाले एसेसरीज़, जो PS5 के एसेसरीज़ में मैंने वीडियो बनाया था उससे रिलेटेड ये वीडियो है। क्योंकि उस पर बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, आप जाके पढ़ भी सकते हो। उसमें एक बंदे का मैंने रेफरेंस दिया था, अश्विन, तो उससे ही रिलेटेड ये वीडियो है। और जानते हैं क्या है पूरा मामला। और ये वीडियो जो है पर्टिकुलरली इंग्लिश में भी होने वाला है, क्योंकि बहुत से लोगों को हिंदी समझ में नहीं आएगी। क्योंकि जो मेजर ऑडियंस है जिसने कमेंट किया है वो या तो तमिल है या साउदर्न पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्रीज से हैं। तो देखते हैं क्या है मामला। तो समझाने की कोशिश मैं आपको करता हूँ कि हुआ क्या। सो लेट्स बिगिन द स्टोरी। So basically, all of you know that in mid 2020, Sony declared the dates of PS5 launch, and at the same time, the threat of virus was at its peak. So each and every PlayStation fanboy, including me also, was waiting for PS5 launch, and we were searching actually about PS5 on Google, on YouTube, and on every social media. And then in October 2020, I went through a channel named Game Fox, and I liked the content of the guy on PS5. I contacted him and got to know that he was also searching for PS5, and he actually ordered the PS5, imported PS5, as there was no news coming from Sony and Sony India as well about PS5 launch in India. And you all know that we are in tier 2 countries in Sony's list. So still in April 2021 there is no news about PS5 launch. Then back to the story, he told me that he is getting PS5 from a person named Ashwin, whose number is available on a Twitter group, and he deals in imported phones and accessories too. He ordered and got his PS5 in November 2020, and after watching his video on his channel and talking to him also, I also ordered the accessories from Ashwin, worth rupees 22,500. The guy from GameFox told me that Ashwin is legit, but at the same time he told me to buy PS5 at my own risk. Both the things are different in my opinion. I thought that maybe the problem is with shipping or anything else. Then I ordered my PS5 accessories on 22 December worth rupees 22,500. And after watching many videos on YouTube where the Ashwin number was there, and Boat Official was one of the big Tamil YouTuber who got PS5 from Ashwin and mentioned his number in his video. As I got the tracking details of PS5 accessories on 3rd January 2021, I ordered my PS5 on 5th January, and Ashwin told me that I'll get my PS5 after 6 to 7 days. On 7th January, I got my accessories. So I was quite happy that I'll get my PS5 soon. After some time in mid January, I asked Ashwin about my PS5, and he told me that I'll get it soon, but there was no tracking details he shared with me. I contacted him again and again, and January ended. January 2021 ended. Then in February, when I was hell frustrated and depressed, as it's already a month, I didn't get my PS5 and getting no proper response from Ashwin. So I'm just quoting that Ashwin was not giving a proper response to me at that time. I contacted the YouTubers like GameFox and Bolt Official, but again these YouTubers are a bit confused, so I was not getting proper reply from them also. I think there was no proper response from these YouTubers because maybe they are also confused, or maybe they just promoted Ashwin to get some discounts of products without knowing him properly. At the same time, I consider them as spammer, as anybody can. So maybe it's my mistake, or maybe I don't know what the actual thing is. I tried to contact them but got no proper response, as I told you earlier. And in this span of time, some YouTubers deleted Ashwin's number from their video, and some deleted the video as well. You can go and check out. I have the screenshot of each and everything I'm saying here, but showing the same here is not a good thing in my opinion. I don't want to defame anyone, but just telling you what happened with me. Then February also passed, and in whole February, I contacted Ashwin many times, but getting no nil response from his side. He was only active on WhatsApp and activated DND, so I was not able to call him. He just gave some fake commitments that I'll get my PS5 today, tomorrow, this week, next week, and my patience level was at the top of this world. Anybody can feel this thing. And then at the end of March, I thought that I was the victim of online fraud, so I contacted my friend who is a DSP in MP Police. She recommended me to lodge a complaint in Cyber Cell. I went to the Cyber Cell but didn't lodge a complaint against him. I wrote each and everything. My letter was prepared, everything was there, like the transactions and all. I thought to contact Ashwin last time and I texted him on WhatsApp, and there we had some hot discussions over there. He told me about legal things and I also told him about the legal things, the problems I have. Still, I have the problems that I don't want to discuss here. Then, after 2 or 3 days, he shared the tracking details with me and delivered my PS5. But wait, there is a thing. As I collected my PS5 from the courier service, which is DTDC Lite, and opened the pack, the PS5 outer package was, the main packaging that I opened was, in very bad condition. See, man, I just collected the courier and the pack is already open from top and bottom too, so please give a proper response for this. One more thing I want to mention here. As I opened the box, I thought or I felt that the PS5 was not the new one. It looks like the old one there. When I opened the pack, I told you the PS5 accessories was generally wrapped in a packaging, and the black middle panel, was also having some scratches there. Then I put the sticker on the middle panel of PS5 and my DualSense 2. You can see that in image. The console was working fine, but it's every time in my mind that I'm using the old and used PS5. That's every time in my mind. I asked Ashwin about the same, but he also told me that he sent me the new PS5. Only box was in the bad condition because of the courier service. That was the thing that Ashwin told me. Now, after one day on 1st April, I got an offer from my friend who wanted to buy PS5 anyhow. I told him each and everything, and after knowing the full story, he bought my PS5. He tested it and he finally bought it. And I sold my PS5 as I got the new one. Okay, I got the new PS5. Right now, it's in stock. The imported PS5 is there. There is 1 year seller warranty, so you can also get that. I will make a dedicated video on that, and then I'll tell you from where I got this PS5. And you can't believe, at the same day when I did the payment, I got the receipt from the seller. I'll mention it in my next video, so be subscribe to my channel and like this video too if you find this helpful. So this is the full story of mine who survived hell lot of stress in these 3 months. So as concluded at the end of the story, I want to tell you that don't spend your hard earned money anywhere without knowing the source is legit or reliable. By the way, there is a good news for PS5 fanboys, as I told, that the stock is still available, and I'll mention the name of the website as I'll make the next video, the next episode. तो चलो भाई, ये सारी स्टोरी तुम्हें समझ में आई गई होगी, और अब बात करते हैं हिंदी में, वापस आ जाते हैं अपनी लैंग्वेज पे। तो अब मैं तुम्हें बता देना चाहता हूँ कि वो जो मेरा PS5 था पुराना वाला, वो मैंने भेज दिया है। जो अश्विन वाला मैटर था उस पर तुम लोग अपने कमेंट्स करके अपनी राय दे सकते हो, अपने ओपिनियन जो है बता सकते हो मुझे। और जो PS5 को लेके एक चीज़ है कि स्टॉक अवेलेबल है कि नहीं, स्टॉक स्टिल अवेलेबल है, और मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा कहाँ है वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो जब मैं डालूंगा। मैंने जैसा कि अभी वीडियो में बताया, नेक्स्ट वीडियो या नेक्स्ट एपिसोड जब मैं डालूंगा तो उसमें मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा कि ये स्टॉक कहाँ है और कैसे तुम भी इस स्टॉक को ग्रैब कर सकते हो। एक बंदा है भाई, उसकी वेबसाइट है, उस पर ये स्टॉक अवेलेबल है, इम्पोर्टेड पीसी है, पर उस पर 1 ईयर सेलर वारंटी भी आपको मिलेगी। और मैं कई टाइम से, मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं उस सर्विस को, उस वेबसाइट को। पुराने कंसोल्स भी वो लोग रखते हैं, आप जाके परचेज़ कर सकते हैं। पर मैं अभी मेंशन नहीं करूँगा, जब मेरे पास मेरा कंसोल आ जाएगा, मेरा PS5 आ जाएगा, ब्लू-रे एडिशन जो है मैंने अभी मंगवाया है, तो वो जब आ जाता है उसके बाद मैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड बनाऊंगा, उसमें आपको पता चलेगा कि कहाँ से मैंने इसे परचेज़ किया। पर चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैंने उनसे बोल रखा है कि 5 पीसेस जो है वो बचा के रखें मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए। तो दे ट्राइड देयर वेल, सो देखते हैं क्या होता है। तो चलो यार, इसी के साथ ये वीडियो यहाँ क्लोज़ करते हैं। कोई सब्सक्राइब करने को नहीं बोलूँगा, कोई लाइक वाइक करने को नहीं बोलूँगा। जो चीज़ थी वो थी, तो मैं बता दी, सारी चीज़ें मैंने क्लियर कर दी है। अब डिसीजन तुम ले सकते हो अपना, जिन्होंने ऑर्डर किया, जिन्होंने नहीं किया, बताना कैसा क्या है। मुझे कमेंट करना या इंस्टाग्राम पे तुम लोग मैसेज भी कर सकते हो पर्सनल। देखते हैं क्या होता है। बहुत से लोगों के अभी भी मेरे पास मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं कि मैंने ऑर्डर किया, मुझे मिला नहीं। हो सकता है भाई जो बंदा हो वो लेजिट हो, पर वो स्टॉक इतने इजीली मेंटेन नहीं कर पा रहा हो। तो उससे भी मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि प्लीज़ मेंटेन द स्टॉक एंड प्लीज़ डिलीवर द प्रोडक्ट ऑन टाइम एंड प्लीज़ डिलीवर द एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट दैट द कस्टमर इज़ पेइंग फॉर यू। ओके, सो इसी के साथ ख़त्म करते हैं ये वीडियो। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में। उसी के साथ अपना ख्याल रखो, अपनी फैमिली का ख्याल कर रखो, बस यही चाहता हूँ मैं। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में। ज़्यादा कुछ कहने को नहीं है। बाय।